Bonjour, fairy. I am ready to go. I'm ready for a drink.
Si te quieres divertir, con ejemplo y con primor, solo tienes que vivir un verano en Nueva York. Si te quieres divertir, con ejemplo y con primor, solo tienes que vivir un verano en Nueva York.
Un ratito nada más.
Saying that we're grateful that all of you are here is not enough. It's certainly it's a big reminder that, well, there's all this craziness and tough stuff that's happening in the world. There's 63 of you that were still willing to get onto a flight and just be here to celebrate us. And I can't tell you what a surreal moment this is and will always be. We're grateful for every single one of you. We have family, we have friends, and you all know who are friends that you are our family.
If you guys know Pat and Nicole, nothing is traditional.
This city is so special to Pat and Nicole.
And only Pat and Nicole could get 60 of us out here to Paris. You're committing to choosing each other every day as partners, confidants, and best friends. And like we said before, everyone in this room, we're all here for you. Now and finally, it's our absolute honor to present for the very first time ever,
Mr.
and Mrs. Phil Sanchez.
On top of that, she good for me. Made me wanna say, even though I got plenty, if I'm down to my last penny, I still